Defense exports have touched an all-time high of 38,424 crore rupees in the financial year FY 2025 to 26, marking a massive rise of 14,802 crore rupees, 62.66% over the previous fiscal year's figure of 23,622 crore rupees. In a major step towards advancing India's coal gasification roadmap, a landmark land leasing agreement was signed between Mahanadi Coalfields Limited and Bharat Coal Gasification and Chemicals Limited for the upcoming coal to ammonium nitrate project at Lakhanpur in Odisha. Power Finance Corporation announced a significant change to its board of directors following the resignation of Shri Bhaskar Bhattacharya from his position as an independent director. The company revealed that Bhattacharya tendered his resignation via email on April 1, 2026. Shri Anurag Kapil, a 1998 batch officer of the Indian Railway Accounts Service, has assumed charge as Director Finance at NMDC Limited, India's largest iron ore producer, on Tuesday. On 25 March 2026, the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet approved the proposal from the Ministry of Power for the appointment of Shri Rajesh Kumar as Director Finance at REC Limited for a period of 5 years. India's coal sector has achieved a historic milestone in fiscal year 2025 to 26, with captive and commercial coal mines collectively crossing the 200 million tons mark in both production and dispatch for the first time, according to the Ministry of Coal. NTPC Talcher Kaniha celebrated Utkal Divas on April 1, 2026 to commemorate the Foundation Day of Odisha. The program commenced with the ceremonial lighting of the lamp, followed by a live performance of the state anthem Bandhe Utkal Janani. Damodar Valley Corporation has reported an impressive performance in FY 2025 to 26, achieving significant milestones across technical operations, financial management, sustainability and community engagement. The Delhi Metro Rail Corporation has announced that it will begin train services as early as 3 a.m. on Sunday, April 5, 2026. This special arrangement is designed to facilitate participants traveling to the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium for the second edition of the PNB Soldierathon Marathon. Shri Krishna Kumar Singh, Director Personnel at Steel Authority of India Limited, has assumed the additional charge of Chairman and Managing Director of the company with effect from April 2, 2026.